Ulaanbaatar is one of the youngest capital cities in the world. While traditional cities evolved over 500 to 2,000 years, Ulaanbaatar has built its modern infrastructure in just about 70 years. Although the city still faces challenges typical of a young, 100-year-old metropolis, its development speed is considered 10 to 20 times faster than many other countries. Yet the blend of ancient monasteries, Soviet-era planning, and modern glass towers makes Ulaanbaatar a truly unique city layered with diverse histories. Here you can see Central Asian Buddhist heritage, 20th century socialist architecture, and 21st century glass city skylines all at once. Today, Ulaanbaatar is the political, economic, and cultural heart of Mongolia. With over 1.6 million residents, the city offers historic sites, museums, monasteries, international hotels, modern shopping districts, and vibrant cultural venues.
Sukhbaatar Square, Gandan Monastery, Bogd Palace Museum, the Zaisan Memorial are must-see places for visitors. From a drone's eye view, Ulaanbaatar appears as a city carrying its past while reaching for the future. Modern skyscrapers, golden temple roofs, and the snowy peaks of Bogd Mountain create a single frame where Mongolia's past and future meet. Every traveler who arrives in Ulaanbaatar experiences the intersection of ancient tradition, socialist legacy, and modern growth, opening the door to discovering Mongolia. Weather and best season to visit. Winter temperatures range from -20 degrees Celsius to -35 degrees Celsius. Summer temperatures range from +20 degrees Celsius to +28 degrees Celsius. The best time to visit for travelers is June to September. Transportation. Ulaanbaatar has heavy traffic, so plan your time carefully. For short distances, walking, taking a taxi, or using the bus is recommended. Always choose official taxi services.
Money. The currency is the Mongolian Turgrog, MNT. Cards are accepted in most places, but markets and traditional shops often require cash.